Did you know that emotional intelligence, or EQ, can be a bigger driver of success than IQ? Research shows that EQ accounts for nearly 60% of job performance in many professions. This surprising statistic highlights the often overlooked power of emotional intelligence in the workplace. It's no longer enough to be technically skilled. Understanding and managing emotions is crucial. This video explores why EQ is essential for businesses to thrive in today's complex world. Emotional intelligence, often abbreviated as EQ, is the ability to understand and manage emotions, both our own and those of others. It goes beyond the traditional notion of intelligence, which is often measured by IQ or intelligence quotient. While IQ can tell us how well someone might perform on standardized tests or solve logical problems, EQ delves into the realm of human emotions and interpersonal skills. It's about being in tune with our own feelings, recognizing the emotions of those around us, and using this awareness to navigate social complexities and make informed decisions. It involves being aware of our feelings, handling pressure, communicating effectively, and building strong relationships. For instance, practicing mindfulness can help us stay grounded and manage stress more effectively. In a team setting, this means staying calm under pressure, listening actively to others, and fostering an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Effective communication is not just about speaking clearly, but also about understanding and responding to the emotions and needs of others. In the past, IQ was considered the primary measure of intelligence. Schools and workplaces often focused on cognitive abilities, such as logical reasoning, mathematical skills, and verbal proficiency. Historical footage of intelligence tests shows how society once placed immense value on these metrics. However, this narrow focus overlooked the importance of emotional and social skills, which are crucial for personal and professional success. However, in today's collaborative and fast-paced work environments, EQ has emerged as a key differentiator. Modern workplaces require employees to work together harmoniously, adapt to rapid changes, and handle conflicts constructively. High EQ individuals are adept at managing their own emotions and understanding the emotional dynamics of their teams. This ability to empathize and connect with others can lead to more effective collaboration, innovation, and overall productivity. Businesses are recognizing that individuals with high EQ are better equipped to navigate challenges, inspire teams, and build lasting relationships with clients and colleagues. Inspirational leaders who possess high emotional intelligence can motivate their teams, foster a positive work culture, and drive organizational success. Celebrating successes together and maintaining a positive atmosphere in business meetings are just a few examples of how high EQ can manifest in the workplace. Ultimately, while IQ can open doors, it is EQ that often determines how far one can go in their career and personal life. A lack of emotional intelligence can significantly hinder business success. Poor communication, frequent misunderstandings, and unresolved conflicts are common symptoms of low EQ in the workplace. When individuals struggle to manage their emotions, it can lead to decreased productivity, low morale, and strained relationships. Furthermore, a lack of empathy can result in poor customer service and damaged brand reputation. Addressing low EQ is vital for creating a positive and productive work environment. What are the pillars of emotional intelligence? Knowing yourself and others. Emotional intelligence is comprised of several key components: self-awareness, empathy, and relationship management. These elements are essential for personal and professional growth, as they help us navigate the complexities of human interactions. Self-awareness involves recognizing our own emotions and their impact on our thoughts and behaviors. It is the foundation of emotional intelligence, as it allows us to understand our strengths and weaknesses, and how they influence our actions and decisions. By being self-aware, we can better manage our emotions and respond to situations more effectively. Empathy allows us to understand and share the feelings of others, building stronger connections. It involves actively listening to others, being open to their perspectives, and showing genuine concern for their well-being. Empathy fosters trust and collaboration, making it easier to work together towards common goals. Relationship management encompasses the skills needed to build and maintain healthy relationships, such as effective communication and conflict resolution. It involves being able to navigate social complexities, manage conflicts constructively, and inspire and influence others. Strong relationship management skills are crucial for creating a positive and productive work environment. Developing these core components is crucial for fostering emotional intelligence in the workplace. By enhancing our self-awareness, empathy, and relationship management skills, we can create a more harmonious and effective work environment. This not only benefits individual employees, but also contributes to the overall success of the organization. Investing in emotional intelligence development can lead to improved job satisfaction, better team dynamics, and increased productivity. So, let us look at a case of success through emotional intelligence. In today's fast-paced and highly competitive business environment, the ability to understand and manage emotions can be the key to unlocking success. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is increasingly recognized as a critical factor in achieving both personal and professional goals. Consider the case of a software company struggling with low morale and missed deadlines. The pressure to deliver high-quality products on time was taking a toll on the employees. Stress levels were high, and the atmosphere in the office was tense. Despite having a highly skilled team, communication breakdowns and interpersonal conflicts were hindering their progress. Team members were often found arguing over minor issues, and many avoided communicating with each other altogether. This lack of effective communication was creating a toxic work environment. Recognizing the need for change, the company implemented an EQ training program. This program was designed to help employees develop better self-awareness, empathy, and communication skills. The training sessions included various activities and exercises aimed at improving emotional intelligence. The program focused on improving self-awareness, empathy, and communication skills. Employees learned how to recognize their own emotions and understand the emotions of others. They practiced active listening and effective communication techniques. The results were remarkable. Teamwork improved significantly, communication became more open, and productivity soared. Employees began to feel more valued and understood, which led to increased job satisfaction and motivation. The overall atmosphere in the office became more positive and collaborative. This example demonstrates the transformative power of emotional intelligence in a business setting. By investing in EQ training, companies can create a more harmonious and productive work environment. Emotional intelligence not only helps in resolving conflicts, but also in building stronger, more cohesive teams. It is a vital skill that can lead to greater success and fulfillment in both personal and professional life. What do you think? Emotional intelligence. It is imperative in business. In today's rapidly changing business landscape, emotional intelligence is no longer optional, it's essential. Companies with emotionally intelligent leaders and teams are better equipped to adapt to change, navigate uncertainty, and build strong customer relationships. By fostering emotional intelligence within their organizations, businesses can create a more positive and productive work environment, leading to increased innovation, higher employee engagement, and ultimately, greater success. Please join the conversation and share your EQ story. The power of emotional intelligence is undeniable. As we've explored, it plays a vital role in individual and organizational success. Now it's your turn to share your experiences. Have you witnessed the impact of EQ in your workplace? What steps are you taking to enhance your own emotional intelligence? Share your thoughts and join the conversation about this crucial aspect of modern business. Hit that subscribe button, like and share with your colleagues and friends. We are with you at Wakademy. Your success is what drives us. Check out our other videos on success and productivity.